Hey YouTubers, it's me Zoe. You can't really see my face, it's the lighting. Anyway, you don't need to see my face in this video because all you're going to want to see is the slime I'm creating. I haven't really made this yet, but hopefully it works because it's the exact kind of shampoo that she used that I have, so great. Anyways, you're just going to be needing 2 ingredients, shampoo and salt. Not 2-in-1s, those are, I hate those, honestly. Just regular shampoo. And I'll be right back to get the other ingredients. This is the shampoo you'll be needing. You can't really see it, but it's Tresemme, and well, hang on, let me bring you all some lighting. It's Tresemme. It's the kind I have, so yaysies. Okay, anyway, you're gonna need something to stir on, and this ingredient, and salt, and something to stir with. I'll be right back. Hang on. Anyway, I got a pencil to stir with the salt. I would use sea salt, the Morton kind, the Morton brand, and I'm just going to use something to stir on and something to stir with. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to get your shampoo and open it, obviously. Anyways, just going to squirt this on. Haven't really tried this yet, so I'm just going to put about a little bit, like that much. There we go. And I'm going to add my Morton salt. It's right for you guys to see. Anyways. Just going to add a little bit. You don't want a lot. Ooh, it's working. Okay, I'm just going to add some more salt until I get the right consistency. It's actually working. Out of all the ingredients I've ever tried, this one actually worked, which I'm so happy. And I'm going to actually add some more salt because I'm going to open this more. I barely had it open. I want more salt. Anyway, I added some more salt. I'm starting some more till I get it. Never mind. Too much salt will ruin it. Now it's just liquidy. Ugh, terrific. That's not what we want. I'm gonna retry this just to see if I did something wrong. Just gonna make that much. Okay. It's actually working. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a bit more salt. Sorry if you can't hear me, but it's my tablet. Anyway, I got this much and it works. I'm gonna test it out right now to see if it works, because it's working. It's a slime that you can touch and play with. Definitely a slime you can touch and play with. Definitely. You guys should totally try this at home, and it worked great. Bye. Hang on. Bye.